we're going to factor these right here. It says 2x squared. All right, so you can see this at home. It says 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. And we're going to use the algebra tiles to do that. All right? So the secret is that you have a line. And I'm going to take these parts, right? So I have x squared here, and I have x squared here. Right? And I just put them there. Right? Then I have 7 x's, right? Well, my x's are right here. I have 7 of them. Right? So I'm going to try to make a rectangle out of these. All right? If I can get a rectangle, then I can factor it. If I can't get a rectangle, it's not factorable. All right? That's 4. That's 2. All right, so that's 6, right? And there's 7. And then these are 1s, right? So I'll take the 1s. I'll put them here. All right? All right. Is that a rectangle?
Yes.
Okay, here's the fun part. All I have to do is count. I have x, I have plus 2, I have 2x plus 3, right? So I just factored this. Everybody see how that works? So the key is you start with your biggest tiles and you put them in the lower left-hand corner, then you try to build a rectangle. Yeah?
Is there any other way to do this without the algebra tiles?
Oh yeah. There's all kind of ways to do it, but they're all harder than this. The reason I'm showing you this is because it's the easiest way. Now you can make your own algebra tiles, guys. You can cut them out of paper. You can go online and print. You can search algebra tiles, and you can print algebra tiles, right? And then cut them out. But they're not going to last, right? If you print them, color them, laminate them, then cut them, they may last. But the key, like this set right here, I paid $10 for a magnetic set. And you can get them probably cheaper than that when they're non-magnetic, right? It's up to you. But you can make your own. You know, so if your parents will buy you a set, good. If not, print, color, cut. Make them out of paper, and when they get messed up, cut new ones. Right? Make a couple copies. Like I say, I would love to be able to give you a set to use. Unfortunately, I don't have enough sets to do that, and we just can't do that right now. We're not allowed to have that kind of stuff that people use, you know, this more than one student use at one time. And let's be honest, it'd be hard to clean those. It'd be real hard to clean. So that's why I bought these, so I can show you that. Anybody not see what's going on here? Okay, let's try one more. Let's see. I don't have enough x squared to do the ones with 6, right? Do I have another one that doesn't have a big old, and I don't have any xy, so if it's got an xy, I can't do it. That's the one thing about the cheap ones. Can't do it. How about this one? X squared plus 4x plus 1. All right? Somebody want to try it? You want to come up here and try it? Come on. Let's put these back where they were. There's 4 x's. And there's 1. Right? So, and there's an x squared. So try to make a rectangle out of that. Okay, so you're looking at, if you did this, right? Then you can't make a rectangle, right? If you put this here, you can't make a rectangle, right? If you put this here, you still can't make a rectangle, right?
Yep.
So if you can't make a rectangle, guess what? Can't factor it. It's not factorable. All right? And we won't talk about that right now, about what that really means. There is another thing you can do, and we'll talk about later, to figure out a factor that might work, all right? But if you cannot make the rectangle, you can't factor it. It's not factorable, so you have to solve it a different way. Right now, all we're worried about is, can it be factored and can it not, all right? So you can do this one right here. If you're in the regular thing, see if you can find the decimals where you can do algebra tiles on decimals, right? Click up here, somewhere up here, E-tools.
I think it's on calculators.
That's a link.
I got it.
Where it says algebra tiles, it's a link.
Go right there.
Where?
Next to wood.
Oh, right there. Click on that link. I missed it. I was looking for it. I'm like, where's it at? Click on that. All right, even at home, click on algebra tiles and try to do this one here. Try to do this. See if you can form a rectangle, right? See if you can form a rectangle. Yes, ma'am.
I don't have that.
And we can stop this now.